2021 cover. Enlightened India magazine, January, February 2021 cover. And here it goes. Come on, let's have a round of applause.
क्या बात है
That's how the magazine looks.
संदीप सर यहाँ पे फोटोज मैडम यहाँ पे आप फोटोज के लिए सर यहाँ पे यहाँ एक मिनट दे रहा हूँ वीडियो के लिए एक मिनट संदीप सर यस रेडी यहाँ पे
Enlightened
One
India
more.
magazine, January, February
Video.
2021 cover.
अभी ले लो वीडियो
That's an absolutely beautiful and stunning cover. Thank you so much. Isn't it very amazing? Yes, no? Come on. Wonderful.
It has run into 20. This magazine, this cover story, usually we have 10 to 12 pages. Sandeep ji's page, I could not stop because there were so many things, so many poses. Every new pose is different. If you can hold this, please.
Yes, please. Let's have a look at the cover story.
So we have this spread page, which is a dynamic, as I named. Then we have a cover story about his journey. And then the next page.
Timeless.
That's right, he's detectable. And then we have more. It has run into 3 pages now. Much more. Splendid movie. All images are very different. If we see it minutely, all images give a different look, a different meaning. It's amazing. I had to call him and I had to ask him because every image had some story. Versatile. See, amazing, amazing. And then, what he said in the testimonial? He said, I believe in 3 E's of dance. And this is entertainment, education, and enlightenment. That is what he mentioned. So, what he speaks, he. And then we have other pages. We are really proud to have him. Thank you so much. Sir.
When Sir told me to be on the cover, I didn't expect to get so many pages, to be honest. I thought it would be one cover story and just the article. But thank you for doing the article with us. Thank you, sir, for this honor. It just feels wonderful. And I must tell you that when we shot for this cover with Akash, it was very, very special. So today Akash is here, and I would like Akash to say a few words about how it was to shoot, especially for Enlightened India cover.
We are honored to present you our multi-dimensional informative magazine. We have always aimed to be a publication house that shares information, opinions, and insights into current affairs, places, people, as you mentioned, and the world of fashion and entertainment. Our Enlightened India chairman, Nitesh Mehta, and my core team have been very, very objective, candid, and transparent in the magazine. We at Enlightened India have conducted cover stories and interviews that appeal to the masses, and hence we have ensured that our target audience is not limited to a specific age group. We have very optimistic and positive look in our future. We are associated with 45 colleges and universities in Mumbai. Yeah, so and we are also proud to say we are associated with Mumbai Police since 2011 as their magazine media coverage center. Short brief, but thank you so much for taking the lights. Thank you so much. I hand it over to Omita.
Sir, I'll take one more minute of yours. So can I have Sandeep sir on stage, please? Okay, sir, my question to you would be, I believe it's been, the magazine's been into the limelight since 2010. Yes? And in so many years, it's never been the case that a dancer or a choreographer has been on the cover. So why did you choose Sandeep Saparkar to be on its cover?
I should not say so. Don't record. But I've never found someone so dynamic.
On behalf of my friend Jigar and Rihaji, it's a great pleasure because Roots of India is one of the most authentic Indian food restaurant with an amazing ambience, with like they've grown 1,000 plus plants with with so much of love. So each and every person coming here inherits a lot of positivity. And this is placed in Times Square, and I'm very, very happy to be here on behalf of my dear friend Sandeep Saparkar as well. I know Sandeep since over 18 to 20 years now, and it's a great privilege to represent Roots of India as well as my dear friend Sandeep. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. Now, let's bring on stage the man who's on the cover of the magazine and who's graced the January-February 2021 cover of the Enlightened India multi-dimensional magazine. Ladies and gentlemen, let's call on stage Mr. Sandeep Saparkar. Sir, my question to you is, you featured on so many magazines. So what makes this different?
Well, good evening, everyone. Yes, Enlightened India is, of course, very, very special. I have always believed that dance to me means three things. 3 E's of dancing, like I call it. One is entertainment, which we all know about. One is education. हम लोग सीखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं dance. And one is enlightenment. Enlightening. That's why I think Enlightened India is so special to me. हम लोग शुरुआत जो डांसिंग करते हैं, हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं मजा मस्ती के लिए, just to have fun, to see something entertaining for us. फिर slowly इसमें हमें शिक्षा मिलती है, और जब वो शिक्षा एक लेवल पे पहुंचती है, तब होता है enlightenment, तब होता है Enlightened India. And that is why I say Enlightened India, the magazine, and what I feel for dance is so much together. And when I was told to be on the cover, I felt really privileged because I felt to be dancing की journey है. Life comes in circles, dance moves in circles as well. So I think that's what made it very, very special. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now is the time. Should we unveil the cover? Already? But एक ऐसी चीज संदीप सर के इवेंट में हमेशा होती है जिसके बिना इवेंट अधूरा होता है. Who's going to say that? Can we ask him for a dance, please? Come on. So I would request you to please show us little moves of ballroom dancing, and to accompany you, we have the stunning Sheila Perucci. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all move them on stage. So I leave the stage to you, ladies and gentlemen, Sandeep Saparkar and Sheila Perucci, and her magic with dance.
पोजीशन ले रहा है बड़ी गलती है तो बड़ा प्ले नहीं
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you, Sandeep, and thanks everyone for being here and having me here, and Roots of India, of course. And yeah, it feels very good to be back on stage, especially with Sandeep sir, because it's been 1.5 years we've danced, I have danced. And you know that last year was not even there. Like, it feels like I danced with him in last October, though it was 1.5 years. So yeah, and being here is also a privilege. Thank you for making me part of this, thank you, sir, as well. And yeah, it's brilliant. And we're going to come back with a bang, and we're going to go into a lot of shows from now on. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sheila. That was absolutely a very beautiful performance, Sandeep sir and Sheila. Can we have one more round of applause once again? Shall we? So, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Pranil Deshmukh for the the cover design of this magazine that we'll be unveiling today, this cover. And I would like to call on stage Miss Neha Rekame. Can we please have her on stage? The content head of Enlightened India, who's also done the cover story interview with Sandeep sir. Please come here. Yes, I believe you've interviewed Sandeep sir also for this. Yes, so please tell us something about it.
उसको चुन्नी घर में ले जाइयो
This is superb and really one of the best as a dancer I saw and I studied and really you are a good and such a great person and multi-talented I will say.
Thank you so much. Can I now please call Miss Dipti? Yes, we call you again to please say a few words.
It gives me a great honor to be at this amazing unveiling, at this amazing venue, the Roots of India. It's in great place and of course Enlightened India. I met the director, such a lovely person, and Sandeep, of course, the dance was mesmerizing and I truly can't get in awe of this beauty all the way from Germany. Sheila was mind-blowing and I think both of them just stunned it all and we're so privileged that we could see and all of this amazing performance and they danced after 1.5 years together and lots more to come, of course, and amazing concept Enlightened India, really amazing stuff that they're putting up and like Sir rightly said, he maybe never found this amazing soulful person and a great multi-talented personality and that's why Sandeep C is on.
Bombay.
I would request media एक करके आगे आइए. We want to take pictures. Please दीजिए.
खाना मत किशन किशन खाना के लेने
Enlightened India magazine, January, February 2021. And now we got the cake.
Okay, I'm not going to my face, okay?
No, definitely not. I would request everybody to please come here. Please join in for the cake cutting.
सबजन साथ मिलेगा सर आइए
Clap for us.
हाथ मत रखना
Can we not sing congratulations and celebrations? And I don't know the song ahead.
ले साली में ला
So, this is for you. Thank you so much. Oh,
That was the magazine cover, and this is Ankita Dalavat saying goodbye. Thank you, everybody.
यही खड़े हो ऐसे भाई ऐसे ऐसे लो आगे मत आओ कोई